13 here. Today I have a unboxing from Twisted Colors. Let's get on into it. So in here, a piece of mesh. There's absolutely no flaking whatsoever. I can't really tell. I don't know. Okay, well, I got the mesh from Twisted Colors. My first impression taking it out of the bag. Oh my god, this is nice. So it's one of the softer, like East Coast. One of the softer types of wax mesh. It's actually really nice. Spreads apart easy. When you spread it, it doesn't stay too much. It actually goes back in. Coloring or smelling it, it's just waxy. It doesn't smell like anything like coconut or anything. But anything on your hands, there might be a little bit of wax, but there's no flaking, which is the best. You could see no flaking whatsoever, which is good. Just examining. But yeah, so this is my first impressions. Might be able to string it up on a stick for you and see how it works. But my first impressions, But here, that's about it. Hey guys, ViperC13 here. Again, my piece of mesh from Twisted Colors. I bought a piece from them for $15. Prices for mesh is $15 for a white and $20 for a dyed piece. So you guys should definitely go check them out. I'm probably going to be stringing mine up on this STX Stallion in Carolina Blue. The yellow's starting to wear, and it's not what I like for some reason. I don't know. It's like a Volta yellow piece. A Maverick Wonder Boy. So yeah, so I'm gonna string this up. Probably all white, maybe some Carolina, but probably all white. So I'll get back to you and show you how it looks. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, ViperC13 here. I have my finished product, Kyle Harrison replica with the twisted mesh. Came out real nice. I'm gonna show you this channel. It's got your mid-high, kind of almost looks like a bag, of course. Mesh does feel like East Coast mesh. You do your ball drop test. It's definitely one of the softer wax meshes. I strung it to my liking. Ball's nice. But definitely go check them out, guys. You won't be disappointed. All their information will be in the description below. So yeah, so go give them a quick look. Nice guys, easy to deal with. But alright, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Have a nice night.